In these next few problems, we're going to be using the sum and difference formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent to find exact values of angles. The idea here is to rewrite the given angle as the sum or difference of angles whose exact values we know for the trigonometric functions. Consider the sine of 17 pi over 12. We don't know the exact value of the sine of 17 pi over 12, so our goal is to figure out any angles whose sum or difference equals 17 pi over 12, and those angles have to be angles whose exact values of the trigonometric functions we know. For example, suppose I rewrote 17 pi over 12 as 20 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12. Why would I do this? Well, 20 pi over 12 is equivalent to 5 pi over 3, and 3 pi over 12 is equivalent to pi over 4. I know the exact values of the trigonometric functions of 5 pi over 3. I also know the exact value of the trigonometric functions of pi over 4. So I can use the difference formula for sine in order to get the exact value of the sine of 17 pi over 12. Recall, the sine of alpha minus beta is the sine of alpha times the cosine of beta minus the cosine of alpha times the sine of beta. So here I get the sine of the first angle, 5 pi over 3, times the cosine of the second angle, pi over 4, minus the cosine of the first angle, 5 pi over 3, times the sine of the second angle, pi over 4. The sine of 5 pi over 3 is negative root 3 over 2. The cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. The cosine of 5 pi over 3 is 1/2 because I'm in the fourth quadrant. The sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. We get negative root 3 over 2 times root 2 over 2 is negative root 6 over 4 minus root 2 over 4. If I like, I can factor out 1/4, really negative 1/4, and I get negative 1/4 times root 6 plus root 2 is the exact value of sine of 17 pi over 12.